Hi guys, Kanika here. You're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. So first, I will narrate a story that happened recently. Okay, this was the weekend, and I had a showdown. Basically, the showdown that basically repeats itself every quarter, where I lose my marbles. Okay, and I scream the house down, and I cry, and I create a tantrum in front of the boys quite badly. एंड माई हार्ट गोज़ आउट टू देम एक्चुअली उनको बेचारों को समझ नहीं आता व्हाट्स हिटिंग देम मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता बट इट्स लाइक होल लाइक cathartic process every quarter. Okay, so I don't know how many of you can relate with this, but this happens with me, like I said, every quarter. Okay, so that happened, and as always the boys didn't know what to do, and I was like seething with anger and fuming like mad. But then we had to go out somewhere because I promised that हाँ ये करेंगे चलेंगे whatever, and ठीक है थोड़ा मूड ठीक किया अपना, and then we decided to step out. So we were in the car. Okay, now in the car these two were silent. ठीक है, मेरा तो मूड ठीक हो गया था because I have to screamed my lungs out. No, so I am the feeling awesome, and these boys are like पता नहीं अभी कुछ बोलेंगे क्या होगा and all of that. So they are absolutely silent. ठीक है, so then after a while I shut my eyes. I was like chilling. को अच्छा लग रहा था. Like this is the key moment. Okay, identify it in your lives. ठीक है, so I'm like sitting and with my eyes shut, listening to music peacefully, feeling really good. Okay, then suddenly the thought, now that's what the buzzing sound is. There will be a buzzing, literal buzzing sound. Okay, like enters your mind, which is basically telling me इनको ना बोल देती हूँ that I'm okay so that they can talk. क्यों? अपना काम करो ना यार, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. वो दोनों भी ऐसे दे आर नॉट सल्किंग, दे आर जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग, सो इट्स फाइन. आई मीन नथिंग is being harmed or nobody is losing anything, right? So you can keep your eyes shut for just about 15 minutes to where you're headed to, listen to the music and all will be fine. But no, okay, and especially women, and we get stressed out more, and maybe men do too, but I don't know if, I mean, it could apply to men also. I don't understand the psychology of a man. I wish I did. Okay, if you know what I mean. Anyhow, so दिमाग में ना that buzzing sound started, that इनको ना बता देती हूँ that I'm okay and these two can talk, which I did. Okay, so अच्छा खासा I'm like almost dozing off to sleep, but I'm like then I told them, I said, you know what, I'm okay, you guys can talk, so don't think that you can't talk, because I'm fine. And then both of them said, no, it's cool, we are chilling. There you go. Okay, so in your head you're thinking बहुत बड़ा फेवर कर रहे हो आप तो उनको बता के, कोई फेवर नहीं हो रहा, they are anyways chilling. ठीक है, now this applies to the world, to everything actually. I can't learn this. मेरे से तो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. जब वो स्ट्रेस आता है ना गंदा वाला, दैट बजिंग साउंड, लाइक आई सेड, एंड दैट कम्स प्रीटी मच एवरी क्वार्टर, लाइक आई सेड, राइट, एंड आई लूज इट. It's been so many years, I'm not being able to control it at all. I'm trying minimalism to the nth degree, that यार ये हेल्प कर ले मेरे को, क्यों इतना ना निकालना होता है, मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा. And even that buzzing sound that comes, it pisses me off. Okay, but like and there is an urge to kind of take action. I don't know, maybe we are wired, or maybe I am wired like that. So I am genuinely telling you, मुझसे तो यहाँ पर minimalism ना apply नहीं हो रहा है. But I thought that was a moment of learning for me, and there was an opportunity that I found there. That's when I made the mental note that I'll make a video on that this Tuesday. So it's for you guys. I mean, see if you can identify when that buzzing sound comes and there's an urge to actually act or say something. To begin with family and friends, to your friends and family, that मत बोलो, आराम से चिल करो. आप चिल जोन में हो, यू सीइंग द सराउंडिंग्स, मतलब यू स्टेपिंग आउट आफ्टर एजेस. वैसे ही आजकल स्टेपिंग आउट का मौका नहीं मिलता है, उसमें भी बजिंग साउंड का स्लेव बन के यू हैव टू से समथिंग. नो ना, लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो, एन्जॉय दैट, वाओ ये मॉल इधर है, वाओ मुझे तो भूल गया था. ओके, लाइक दैट, डू दैट and enjoy, go out to wherever you're going. The world is chilling without you acting on that buzzing sound. So minimize the effect of that buzzing sound. Let the buzzing sound come into you and go. Today is a classic example of preaching what I can't practice. Okay, but at least I'm sharing with you, yeah guys, so maybe if it helps, then why not, right? Chalo, I'll see you next time. Bye.